Hello everyone, this is the prototype of our app WIEHACK. So here you can see we have two login, user login and monitor login. Let's move to user login, and here we can input our credentials, login credential, email ID and password. And after entering the password or login, so this is our home page, or we can say dashboard, where you can see the health data of the user, like heart rate, step count, sleep and calories. We have also enabled connections with Google Fitness app and Samsung Health and Apple Fitness to provide better integrity of various features. Now let's move towards the navigation bar. We have home, my schedule, close dates and points. Let's move to my schedule. Here you can see the user can plan its schedule, so which their close dates can see and check where they are going. We have implemented like from which place to place, time, date, and with whom companion. And now we can post the schedules posted. Now close dates. Here you can see we have implemented a feature where you can input and select whom is in your close dates, like your father, grandfather, and brother, etc. You can there add their contact number, which they will be notified in case of emergency. Now moving towards map points. This will show you all the emergency spots like police station, hospital, and public toilets. This will directly navigate you to that provided location. Now log out. Now we will move to monitor login. So the monitor login is for the purpose of investigatory, where the close aides one will monitor their uh, loved ones, like a father to a daughter. After logging in, this is the main dashboard. We are still working on it, and here we have implemented a button with view my users, where the father view can check on their daughters.
Hello everyone, I'm Smriti. My team number is 277. Our project is We Are Safe on theme Women Safety. Women safety on its first basis is one of the most important issue in the country, requiring several developments for the society. Even with a lot of technical developments, its reach in the scope of women safety is still restricted. That's why we are trying our innovation in this field.
What are we solving? As we all know, care for our people is the utmost thing when it comes to a distance relationship. When our loved ones and our female members are out of our home, so their safety is one of our major concern. So our aim is to provide a service to all women users, which will aid them in leading a safe and a happy life with an easy to use and access application or interface. So our innovation will result in two ways: helping the women in being safe and their close ones or their colleagues or their loved ones being relieved about their safety. So presenting We Are Safe, a multi-purpose women safety application. So what is our proposed solution? Our proposed solution is We Are Safe, a multi-platform application which aims to provide features related to women's safety and healthcare. So our application will cater two types of users. One is a female user, which is a main user, and other user is a close aid user, which can be a family member or colleague or friends to the female user. And our wide features and range of applications, it will be one of a kind in the segment to be built as per the market's demand and needs.
Now, talking about the features, for the woman side, we have added emergency contacts, or the main contact which the user will contact at the time of emergency, and scheduling the day, scheduling their day-to-day visits to whatever they go, like college, school, etc. And we have added emergency map points to map the emergency locations like police stations, public toilets, and hospitals. We have also linked various health apps like Google Fitness Apple Fitness, and Samsung Health to ensure the health of the user. And we have added checkpoints like where the close aids will receive a notification as the user has reached to a specific location or their desired schedule, so they can assure that yes, she or he is safe. We have added emergency SOS signal where call an emergency SOS alert all the emergency contacts through the SMS and notification will be notified. Now, moving to the features of the close aids or the monitors, we have added getting complete schedule of the user or their care ones whom they are monitoring, like getting their location or if they are reached to a particular location at that particular time or not. We have added receiving a checkpoint notification also whether she reached her college at time or not. We have also added an emergency SOS receiving signal where the user will receive the SOS signal from the user in case of emergency. We have implemented multiple user registration also where one can register as a close aid for more than one female user. For example, a father monitoring their multiple daughters. Now, speaking about the tech stack, on the application side, we have used React Native with its native libraries and Android Studio, JavaScript, and other major required APIs of like Google Maps and etc. And for the website, we have gone with React.js, Node.js, and for database, we preferred MongoDB and NoSQL, and some other major Google Map APIs for the stuff to fetching the geolocation. And build feasibility, as per our technical standards, the proposed application is very likely and feasible to build with a reasonable build cost and operation cost as well. There is no heavy costing of the backend server to run.
About the target audience. Considering such a market availability, an app with these kinds of wide facilities, wide features is unlikely to be available in the market. And in India, in tier 1 and tier 2 cities, the emphasis on women's safety is highly increasing. Also, India being one of the major enhancer of women empowerment, the increasing working women ratio creates a demand for such kind of support applications. Obviously, competition may exist as simple SOS app or some initiative by governments or police, but an integration with these kinds of apps will effective make effective the power of women's safety. One of our major user would be the women user living far away from their home for their work or studies, and also their family members or colleagues who will be treated as close aids users and will be a potential audience target audience for our app.